Now what do you do?
Add a 0.
Brilliant. So now see if you can do the next bit.
4 times 1
Yeah.
is 4.
And then what do you do?
Add the 1.
Brilliant.
2.
That's why you've got 4 squares there.
It's a 1,000.
Wow.
Is it more than 1,000?
Just a little line on the top. Don't cut all the way through.
Yeah.
Don't cut through.
Yeah.
Just a little line. So if you look at the back,
Yeah.
you can't see it, but the line's there. This crumbling there. Okay?
They were planted in the tower to break the I'll be quick, I'll be quick.
No matter, no rush, do it properly. Better to do properly than rush it. Okay? Now we'll just do a little bit on the potato, we don't need a lot.
So we can stick the glitter.
Oh, it'll stick on anyway.
Cooking glitter. I love it, I love it,
Smells good. That smells good. Big bubble.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay.
Have I done that before, do you think? It just fits that plate. It's alright. Right, go put some spinach on the plates.
Yeah.
Do you want me to hold them? No. Ooh, don't drop them then.
Got them, I got them.
I'll pick up the tomatoes ready.
Right, I think there'll be enough.
We didn't bring any salt.
It's messed up.
Why? Oh, it rolled off, that's all. I bet you can't eat 3 new things in 1 week. This is number 3.
Okay, I don't think I can do it.
No, I don't think you can do it. Not even for £1.
I can do it.
I don't think you can.
I can.
I bet you can't.
Yes, I can.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, very nice. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Delicious.